Alternatives to using grout with tiles.
In this video, we will explore the various alternatives to using grout with tiles. Grout is traditionally used to fill the gaps between tiles and hold them in place, but there are other options available that you might want to consider for your next tiling project. Let's dive in.
Why look for grout alternatives?
Grout can sometimes be challenging to maintain, as it is prone to staining, cracking, and mold growth. This is why some people look for alternatives that are easier to maintain and provide a different aesthetic.
What are the main alternatives to grout?
1. Epoxy resin. This is a durable, waterproof material that fills the gaps between tiles. It's more resistant to staining and cracking than traditional grout, and it doesn't require sealing. 2. Caulk. Caulk is a flexible, waterproof material that can be used to fill the gaps between tiles. It's available in a variety of colors and is ideal for areas prone to movement, such as around bathtubs and sinks. 3. Thin-set mortar. This adhesive can be used to fill gaps between tiles, but it's not as flexible as caulk or epoxy resin. It is, however, a good option for large tiles or stone installations. 4. Groutless tile installation. This method involves installing tiles with minimal or no gaps between them, creating a seamless appearance. This technique requires precision and is best suited for rectified tiles.
How do I choose the right alternative for my project?
To choose the best grout alternative for your project, consider the following factors. 1. Aesthetic preferences. Do you prefer a seamless look, or do you want visible lines between the tiles? 2. Tile material. Some materials, like natural stone, may require specific types of adhesives or gap fillers. 3. Location and usage. Consider the area where the tiles will be installed and the amount of movement or moisture it's likely to experience. 4. Maintenance requirements. Some alternatives require less maintenance than grout, which can be a deciding factor for your choice. There are several alternatives to using grout with tiles, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. By considering the factors mentioned above, you can choose the best option for your project and create a beautiful, long-lasting tile installation.